Minka Aire ceiling fan, which is installed in one of the other bedrooms down here. And this is the final fan in the house. And it's same everything, same lights and same everything. I'm gonna see what size fan this is. I don't know what type of Minka Aire ceiling fan it is, but it is Minka Aire. And yeah. Alright, let's demonstrate the light. And I didn't dim the one in the living room because I didn't feel like it. Maybe I did, but I'm not sure. Here's what. That noise outside is the units. And this one is also 3-speed. The one in the bedrooms are 3-speed, but the ones out in the hall are 6. Oh, the one down here turned on. Okay, it's medium. This one doesn't buzz. Doesn't wobble either. Here's hot. Oh, it does wobble. On high it wobbles. But on real medium it doesn't wobble. I can see it wobbling a little bit. It's fine. Okay, here's off. And that's it, everyone. Bye-bye.